Okay, Resonators, so I have another creepy encounter for you. So I was scrolling through the subreddit and I found one that caught my eye and I had to give it a read. And guys, listen to this. Don't make me go through this by myself. Okay, here we go. This story is called Make Sure to Always Lock Your Doors. 23-year-old guy here. I live in a pretty safe neighborhood and usually I always lock my doors. But last night I apparently didn't. It wasn't that long after I had taken my dogs out for the last time and I was turning off the TV and lights when one of my dogs started to growl. Not too weird because he sometimes does that when people walk by the house. But he only does it to certain people, not everyone. I then heard the front door open and someone walked in. My dog started barking and my other dog, who loves all people, came running from the other room to greet the guest. At the same time, I was reacting to what just happened and I went, "What the hell? Who are you?" Standing in the hall was a guy in his mid to late 20s. He was skinny and tall. Oh, wait, I don't think I'm in the right place. He genuinely seemed confused. I replied with, "Hell no you aren't, please get out." He apologized and said he was coming to hang out with a friend and just accidentally walked into the wrong house. I asked him what house he was looking for and he said an address that was just a couple of numbers off from mine. He apologized again and then left. He seemed nice and non-threatening, but I was still kind of spooked. This morning, I was ready to laugh the whole thing off and I was planning on telling my neighbor, which is a couple in their mid-30s, what had happened. I don't know them all too well, but we have talked before. Luckily, I caught up to one of them when I was outside walking my dogs. I didn't want to come off like I was mad or scared over what happened, so I casually said, "I'm sure he told you about it, but your friend paid me a surprise visit last night." My neighbor gave me this confused look and said, "What are you talking about?" "Your friend. He walked into my house last night thinking it was your place." My neighbor was quiet for a second and then said, "I don't want to alarm you, but I have no idea what you're talking about. We didn't have a friend over last night." Dun dun dun! And that's how it ends, guys. Okay, that is creepy as hell. I honestly have no idea what I would do if somebody just walked in my front door. I would probably freak out. And honestly, it's probably for the best that he didn't freak out and handled the situation calmly because I don't know. What reason did that guy have for being in his house to begin with? Maybe I watch a little bit too much true crime, but I don't know. I just don't trust the situation at all. So let me know in the comments, do you guys think that he just accidentally walked into the wrong house? Or do you think there was something more sinister going on? Also, guys, I want you to let me know which one of my 2 newest extra resin projects is your favorite. So over some time, I have been just dumping in all the extra resin that I had from some of my more recent projects. And I just dumped them into these lotus flower tea light candle holders. And these are always one of my favorite molds to use because no matter what, it comes out pretty because the mold is so pretty. So anyways, these are the results to the 2 bowls. So let me know which one you like the best. I'm a little partial to the red one because it kind of reminds me of a strawberry. I don't know. But anyways, let me know in the comments which one you guys like the best. Also, if you have any creepy encounters, make sure you leave them in the comments because I will be picking comments for my upcoming videos. Deuces!